Hello everyone. Let's talk about keeping your Alienware M17 R1 running cool. Specifically, we're diving into a replacement CPU and GPU cooling fan combo design for the M17 R1, model number P37E. This particular set comes from Alienware and promises to breathe new life into your potentially overheating laptop. The set includes two fans, one for the CPU and one for the GPU. The CPU fan carries the part number 0V1FR8 and is a DFS5K 22305-2830 FLF5 model, operating at 5V and 0.5A. The GPU fan is labeled 0HDMFX, a DFS-CK 324162, a 20FLF8 model, running at 12V and 1A. It's crucial to note the voltage difference here, especially the warning that this GPU fan is not compatible with 5E systems. Double-checking your existing fan's voltage is a must before purchasing. The fans themselves are air-cooled, which is standard for laptop cooling solutions. Alienware claims a noise level of just 2 dB, which, if accurate, would make these fans incredibly quiet. They also boast a maximum rotational speed of 5,200 RPM. A higher RPM generally translates to better cooling performance, but it can also mean more noise. The key is finding a balance, and 2 dB at 5,200 RPM would be impressive if it holds true in real-world use. When considering replacement fans, compatibility is paramount. These fans are specifically designed for the Dell Alienware M17 R1 P37E model. Trying to force a fan design for a different laptop can lead to fitment issues, performance problems, or even damage to your system. Installation will likely involve disassembling part of your laptop to access the existing fans. If you're comfortable with laptop repair, this might be a straightforward process. However, if you're not experienced, it's always best to consult a professional to avoid any accidental damage. In summary, this replacement CPU and GPU fan set from Alienware appears to be a viable option for Alienware M17 R1 owners looking to address cooling issues. The specifications seem promising, particularly the low noise level and high RPM. However, always verify the voltage compatibility before purchasing, and consider professional installation if you're not comfortable with laptop repairs. Keeping your Alienware cool is essential for optimal performance and longevity, and a good set of replacement fans can make all the difference.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.